Okay, so as I was going through the Oraimo platform, this is one of the products that I saw that I wanted to review, because most of the reviews that I saw there were about how good the battery of this product is. So I don't even know the name. Let me see. Vibrate to the rhythm. Necklace Lite. Okay, so this one is called the Necklace Lite Earphones, and yeah, in this video I'm going to unbox it, and as usual I'll be using it for like a week or two before I make the final review. Yeah, I just got this today, and the first thing I want to say is that the packaging doesn't look very good. As you can see, it looks like it has already been opened. I just got this, honestly, so maybe it's just the way they packaged it, because this one doesn't look like it has been opened, but at the same time you can see that the seal is not very it's not well placed. So I'm just going to say it's the way they handled it when like transporting the product to me. So besides that, yeah, let's see what's inside. So at the bottom there's also the seal. I'm not going to open it from the bottom since these ones have already been removed. So okay, so I'm done with this part, and well, I don't think it is damaged per se. So I'm going to take out the earphones now. First I'm going to remove the manual. I'll be looking through it later on. I'm not even sure how to remove this earphone. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, it's been long since I've seen earphones with wires. Okay, this is the charging cable. This is a Type-C cable. Most of the products come with Type-C cables, which is good because you don't have to flip it multiple times before you can charge the product. Okay, finally we have the earphones, and I'm just going to remove these. Okay, so my first impression just from touching it is that I didn't think this part would be flexible, but it is, and hopefully it's not something that will damage anytime soon. I thought it was going to be like very strong plastic, but it is bendable. I don't know if that's good or bad for now. We have some buttons over here, and I think this is the microphone. And over here we just have the Oraimo like brand logo. And then we have the earphones. So the rubber, the wire feels like it's not going to cut anytime soon. It depends on how you use it anyways, but from what I can see and feel so far, it doesn't look like something that's going to easily cut. So I'll be testing these earphones out, and I'll give you guys my final review. For now, I'm going to charge it. I didn't even check for the charging port. Okay, I can see this bolt. This thing is going to, I can see this bolt icon over here. Let's see if I can remove it. Okay, yeah, so this is the charging port. Normally I don't check reviews for products that I want to review or unbox, so everything I'm saying is from my initial point of view. So I may get some things wrong. If that happens, then people usually correct me in the comments. Anyways, ask me any questions you need to know about these earphones, and yeah, I'll try to answer them in the full review. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye bye. Okay, as I was trying to assemble the box back, I just noticed that I missed something. It's right here. So I think these are some extra earbuds. That's what they look like. This is what I'm saying. I don't normally watch videos of people unboxing stuff, so if not, I wouldn't have missed something like this. Anyways, so yeah, these are the extra earbuds, and I think I'll be trying these ones first before I try these ones. Okay, for the second time, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.